Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Today we will do back exercise of lesson 14. Lesson 14, important days. Now we will start back exercise. Question number 1. Write the dates of each one. Write the dates of each one. Number 1, Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August. Very good. 15th August. Number 2, Republic Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? Yes, 26th January. Number 3, Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, 2nd October. Very nice. 2nd October. Okay. Now tell me, when do we celebrate Independence Day? On 15th August. When do we celebrate Republic Day? On 26th January. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. Okay. Now question number 2. Draw and color the national flag. This is empty, plain box. You will draw a flag here and you will color it. Okay. This is your homework. Now the colors of our flags are, the colors of our national flags are, yes, number 1 at the top, orange. Orange. In the middle, white. White. And at the bottom, green. Our national flag has 3 colors: orange, white, green. Orange is at the top, in the middle white, and at the bottom green. Okay. Now the national flag of our country is also known as Tiranga. Tiranga. The national flag of our country is also known as Tiranga. We call it Tiranga also. National flag as well as Tiranga. Okay. Now next question. Name them. Number 1, the Prime Minister of India. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Very nice. Shri Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. Shri Narendra Modi. Okay. Number 2, the President of India. Who is the President of India? Shri Ram Nath Kovind. Shri Ram Nath Kovind is our President. Okay. Shri Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister and Shri Ram Nath Kovind is our President. Okay. Now next page. Question number 4. State true or false for the following statements. Okay, you will write here true or false. Okay, this statement is true or false. Number 1. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd February every year. Yes, this is false. Because Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October, not February. Okay. Number 2, 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. Yes, very nice. This is true. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. The President of India unfurls the national flag at Red Fort on 15th August. President of India. This is false. Because the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag at Red Fort on 15th August. Not President of India, but Prime Minister of India. So, this statement is false. Number 4, Republic Day is observed as a national holiday. Yes, this is true. Because Republic Day is observed as a national holiday. National holiday means for whole country. Okay. Number 5, the Prime Minister is popularly known as the father of nation. This is also false. Why this is false? Because here is written Prime Minister is known as the father of nation. No, this is wrong. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation. So this is false. Okay. Next question. Match the following. We will match these words to these words. Okay. Number 1. You will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First of all, you will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, 2nd October. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. So, we will match it. Okay. Number 2, folk dancers. Yes, parade on 26th January. We see folk dancers on parade on 26th January. You will match it with it. Okay. Number 3, Tiranga. What is Tiranga? Our national flag. Yes. So we will match it with it. Okay. Rajghat. What is Rajghat? Yes, this is Gandhi Samadhi. You will match it with Gandhi Samadhi. Free India. हमारे इंडिया कब फ्री हुआ था? Yes, 15th August 1947. Okay. Now you will do this back exercise in your book and you will learn all the questions. Okay. Thank you.